Okay, we're here guys to do the laundry. To do our laundry. Ang ganda ng laundry shop nila. Ito pala, laundry nila.
Cocoa bun and one mango cake. She knows about
okay.
it. She's working here. I think she knows.
Okay.
It doesn't tap. You have to slide.
Go to the chair.
Go run.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
mhm.
You asked to wait for my drinks. I'm going to run.
They're not going to stop bringing it. They'll just sit here and let it melt.
Oh. Can I read it? Right, it's Maya. Oh, it's like I like this here. You see, helicopter there. Here in the beach, I leave it Bruce there, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna go for a quick run, like 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back right there. So let's go. Oh, hi guys, hello everyone. So we're here on Danang Beach or Mickey Beach. My god, finally I got kicked my butt out. Now here is 11 something in the morning. Wow, so beautiful guys. Finally, there's somebody do parasailing there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Thank you Lord for the opportunity. You see that guys? Someone do parasailing. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Hi guys, I wanna try that parasailing guys. Let's see. Yeah, so scary that one, but it's so beautiful. Okay. So the only thing I've noticed here guys, that their traffic light doesn't work. So sometimes it works, sometimes it's not, and then sometimes when it's green light, the motorcycle still keep going, never stop. So that's the only thing you have to be careful here on the road. So we're here at Maya, and yeah, just gonna get there inside. So look at this, and Bruce is there sitting down. Okay, that's good, it's beautiful. So this is, what is this? I forgot the name.
You're having a coconut something avocado.
Banana
It's
or
coconut
something.
banana avocado.
Coco Badu.
Yeah, I think it's a whatever.
265,000.
I take good pictures already.
Oh yeah?
My weight. You know, my phone's so old now, you can't get.
Oh my god. It's a video.
Is that a video?
It is.
Yes.
Oh my god, this is our best holiday ever. In the sea. Right? Oh, my stomach. Forgot it. The stomach. Our stomach is in or out. Walking at night. We're going to the beach, guys. We're gonna see how beautiful there at night time. So here, we need to cross here, man, my love. So this is the way. There's a mart souvenir shop, guys. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang busy ng street na to. Oh, there's a coffee. Stuck here. Coffee. This souvenir man, huh?
We just took down the power line.
Oh. Maybe their side. Oh, there's a big one here. Okay. You wanna go in?
Yeah, let's check.
Okay. This is the busy street. Huh?
That's just a souvenir shop.
Ah, souvenir shop. Maybe that side. Oh, there's a
That
big.
one has everything.
Yeah.
We first walked into the beach.
So that's it. We're walking. So that's the beach already there, guys. Oh, what a busy street this one. It's so nice. And is the beach. That's the Mickey Danang Beach. Oh wow! Welcome to Danang Beach. There's a lot of people actually. Oh. Yeah. Welcome to Danang Beach. There. So nice, guys. So beautiful. OMG. Pupunta dito lang muna kami kasi i-check lang namin to, but we will come back in the morning para mag-swimming. Oh, so nice. Oh, looks so nice, guys. Ang daming tao. See? And look at those hotels there. Oh my God, ang ganda, Lord. Grabe. Grabe, ang ganda. Perfect. Tapos doon din, oh. Grabe. Ito. Oh my God, ang daming tao. Ha? The hotel is there back. Ang ganda. Ang daming hotels at the back. Alam nyo. Oh my God, ang dami pang tao. Kahit gabi na. Super ganda niya, guys. Ganda. Love it. Pa-heart shape pa dito, guys. Oh. Oh my God. Ah, there's a washing leg there. Oh. Mine is you can wash your leg there, guys, after stepping on the sands like that. It's so nice to walk here tomorrow in the morning. Oh my God. It's so good. Looks good, honey. This is braised pork, guys, with fried egg. Rice and together with a soup. Nakuha na namin yung pinalaundry namin. So, 3 kilo to siya. Mahigit. Yeah, 3 kilo mahigit. And, nabayaran namin is 100,000 Vietnamese dong. And, cost Singapore dollar is $4. Tapos sa US is $3 siya. $3.82. So, ayan. Tapos na yung laundry namin. Just right in front or across in our hotel.